Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Modern Warfare 3. Whenever you are trying to play the game, you got the error service failed to download user state. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to log out and log in to the battle.net. This looks like a simple step but worked for more people. To do this, open up battle.net and select the profile on the top and select logout, and you just need to log in back. After logging to your account, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. The second solution is to use a VPN. People on Reddit said that using VPN fixed their problem. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome and search for Proton VPN download. Select the protonvpn.com site. Select download Proton VPN and it will be started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to install it. After installing it, open the Proton VPN and select quick connect. After getting connected, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. The third solution is to disconnect internet and restart the console. This worked for more people on Reddit. To do this, first switch off the internet router for about 10 seconds and restart the game console, and then start the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.